nieces and nephews. It's your Uncle Chris, and we're back here in the Uncle Chris Pantry. And everybody's been writing me and saying it's crock pot season. Bring out the crock pot. Well, I'm bringing it out, and I'm going to show you tonight how we're going to do some lazy cooking. I'm going to show you how to make my chicken soup, not just any chicken soup, my lemon pepper chicken soup. It is good. So, I have some vegetables here. I have 4 or 5 stalks of celery from the food pantry that are getting kind of wilty. And I've also got 2 small onions quartered up. Now the reason it's not chopped fine is because we're just going to make some stock. We're going to take the vegetables, put them in the crock pot first. I've also got 2 cloves of garlic in here as well. Guess what I found, nieces and nephews? I'm so excited about this. A sodium-free chicken bouillon. Now you know I was excited about that. Now I'm not going to put that in yet. But I am going to put in 4 quartered chicken legs. Okay? That's the, leg and thigh together. I got 4 of these. And they're frozen. I'm just putting it in there. Just like that. You want your chicken on top, and you'll see why. Because you're going to strain this. You're going to take the chicken off first. You're going to be able to find it. Okay? So it's not all in pieces. Then you're going to strain the stock afterwards. Okay? I'm going to put in a nice amount of pepper, but not too much because I'm putting in some lemon pepper seasoning, okay? Lemon pepper seasoning, that's all. I'm putting in, that's a good tablespoon of lemon pepper, okay? Ooh, yes. Also, the celery and the lemon makes it taste like there's some salt in it, but there's not. Okay. Now I'm gonna put in 3 packs of this chicken bouillon. The reason being, I want this loaded with chicken flavor because I'm gonna make a big pot for this soup. I can even turn this into a ramen. Okay, we're gonna put in these 3. Just like that. Now, we have our chicken and everything in our bouillon. We're going to pour in our water. And just going to fill it up high enough. Just about 1 inch from the top, okay? Now remember, this is going to be concentrated, and that's what you want. The flavor of the bouillon and the flavor of the chicken. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you can see me. I'm crouching down. Guess how tall I am? I want you to write in the comments down below how tall you think your Uncle Chris is. You might be surprised. All right. I think I'm going to add another one. Oh, yes. Now, I want you to see the water level. The water's about like 1 inch from the top. Now, I'm going to let this cook all night. That's right. All night this is going to cook. And maybe even part of the day. I'm going to put on the top. And tomorrow, I'll show you what I have. And I'm going to add the rest of it. So it's a 2-part thing. So, I'm going to show you what I do on the stovetop, which allows me to do this right here. Okay? I'll set the steak here. Part 2. Big love from Uncle Chris.